Hi, I'm Robert from Kempenfelt Windows. Welcome to our one-of-a-kind showroom here on Stephen Court in Newmarket. Yes, when I say one-of-a-kind showroom, I'd like you to see a couple of our products, one of them being our sliding patio door here. And you can see with the ease and comfort of how this door operates, probably a little different than the one you have in your home now. Here is our European tilt and turn door. You can see here that open from the top for ventilation. They are now in a locked position, and then they can open up. What we have here, Jennifer, is our 4-panel patio door, 8 feet tall. We can make them in various sizes and heights. And here, Jennifer, see we have an array of bay windows and bow windows that you see here. A lot of people enjoy a window that slides for easy with operation, opening up for easy cleaning.